In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pass contact property values with hidden form fields in HubSpot. We'll start right from the beginning. Open your browser, head to your favorite search engine, and type in HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. If you use single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete that so you land on your HubSpot portal. Once you're in, look to the main navigation and locate the marketing area. This is where HubSpot keeps its form tools. Open Marketing, then select Forms to access your list of forms. Hidden fields are perfect when you want to capture a contact property, like a campaign tag, source detail, or internal note, without showing it to visitors. Find the specific form you want to work on. Hover over the Forms row to reveal the options and click Edit. This opens the form editor, where you can change fields and settings. In the canvas, click the form field or section you want to hide. You can only hide fields, so make sure you've selected the exact field that should carry your contact property value. With the field selected, look to the left-hand settings panel. Find the option labeled Make this field hidden and turn the toggle on. This tells HubSpot to include the field in the form submission without displaying it to the visitor. It's a clean way to pass data behind the scenes while keeping your form short and user-friendly. Just below that, enter a default value. This is the value that will be submitted with every form entry for that field. Choose something meaningful and consistent with your reporting or automation. Think a campaign name, a funnel stage marker, or a landing page identifier. If a field is visible, a user could change it. But because we've hidden it here, your default value will pass automatically on submission. When you're satisfied with the field settings, go to the top right and click Update. Saving frequently is a good habit, especially if you're coordinating with a team or working across multiple tabs. To finish, review your changes and publish. HubSpot will confirm your updates so they go live wherever this form is embedded. After publishing, it's helpful to preview the form or submit a quick test to confirm that the hidden field is included and the contact property updates as expected. Once verified, you've successfully set up hidden form fields that pass reliable contact property values, streamlining your data collection and keeping your forms simple for users.